I hope you're all well, and we are carrying on with our work from yesterday. So our learning objective is to understand division as grouping equally. So our success criteria. Division is sharing something into blank. So have a think. Division is sharing something into, well done if you said equal, groups. Anything is left over, it is a blank. So if there's anything left over from sharing into your equal groups, what do you think it's called? Have a think. Well done if you said a remainder. Okay, so anything that's left over from your sharing is called a remainder. Division is the blank of multiplication. Now, I talked about this the other day. So division is the inverse, right? Remember, it's the opposite, okay? We can use our multiplication facts to check our division facts, and vice versa. We can use our division facts to check our multiplication facts. So, oops, what's happened here? There we go. Sorry about that, guys. So, press the wrong button. There we go. So, we have got, so let's have a look at our whole. So, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've got our whole, which is our 12. And we are sharing it, so we're dividing it equally by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we've got 12 divided by 4. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Have a quick check. Are all your groups of equal groups? Do they have the same amount in each one? Let me just check. Yep, 3, 3, 3, 3. So 12 divided by 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So well done if you managed to get that at home. And also you can check your multiplication facts. If you know 3 times by 4, if you do your 3 times table, so 3, 6, 9, 12, which is also our whole. Okay, let's go on to the next one. If you want to have a quick pause and have a go at this, you can do on a sheet and a piece of paper at home. So we've got our whole here. So let's double check. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our whole is the 9. Remember, on our division facts, our biggest number always comes first. And we are dividing by 2 equal groups because I have 1, 2. So let's divide this equally. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I can't put this one in because I won't have equal groups. Remember, both groups have to have the same amount. So we're going to come back to this later. So one of these groups equals 4. However, we have 1 left over or 1 remainder. So we put 4 remainder, remember R represents a remainder, 1. Well done if you managed to get that at home. Okay, so next one. We have our lovely bar model back again. So remember, the top box always represents the, you say it, well done if you said the whole. So let's count how many we have. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've got 12 in our whole. And we've got, so 12 divided by or sharing by 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can do this with your dots or with your tallies, or if you know your multiplications really well or your division facts really well, you can have a go at it by yourself. So we've got 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's have a quick check. Make sure all my groups are equal. 3, 3, 3, 3. So, all equal. I have nothing remaining. We have a look at what one of these is worth. So the value of one of these boxes, so 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And we can double check that by doing, again, 3 lots of, or 3 times 4. So doing your multiplication, 3, 6, 9, 12. Well done if you managed to get that at home. So let's move on to the next one. So it's up to you. If you want to have a quick pause and do it by yourself and come back in a little bit, that'll be great. And if you're watching me, we can carry on with this. So let's have a look at our whole. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got 9 as our whole. So remember, start from the biggest number. And we are sharing by and dividing by 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's share this out equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. I won't be able to put this last one in because I won't have equal groups. They will have 3 that are the same, but 1 that is different. So I'm going to have to leave this one out. So first of all, we've got 9 divided by 4. We have a look at the value of one of these boxes, which is a 2. However, we have 1 remainder. So we put 2, remainder, 1. Well done if you managed to get that at home. So here we are. We've got a question here. Sam says that 12 divided by 4 equals 3. There we go. Jessica says that she should check her answer by doing 4 divided by 12. Is Jessica correct? Explain your answers. So what I would like you to do is have a think. Is Jessica right? Should Sam check that his answer is right by doing that method? What do you think? Have a quick pause. Have a think. Is Jessica right? Okay, so Sam says 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Jessica says that she should check her answers by doing 4 divided by 12. Is Jessica correct? Now, unfortunately, Jessica is incorrect, okay? She's incorrect on several reasons why. So first of all, remember, if we want to check if something is right, we need to do the inverse, okay? So we need to do the inverse of divide. Now, what's the inverse of divide? Well done if you said multiplication. So there's 2 multiplications that you can do. You can do 4 times 3. If you know your 4 times tables, 4, 8, 12. That would be one way of doing it. She could do it by another way, 3 times 4. So knowing her 3 times table, so 3, 6, 9, 12. But she won't be able, so we know these are right, but she can't change it. So she can't check it, sorry, by doing 4 divided by 12, because if you want to check if something's right, you have to do the opposite operation. And the opposite operation to divide is times. And also, another reason why she's wrong, when doing division, we always must start off with the biggest number. Always start off with the biggest number. So there is another way she could check it. She could do 12. Now, there's no point doing 12 divided by 4 because she's already done that. But we could do 12 divided by 3. So let's see how many 3's go into 12. 3, 6, 9, 12 equals how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the way that she should or could have checked her answers. Okay, so she could have done She could have done multiple ways. She could have 1, 2, 3 different ways. But the way that Jessica suggested was incorrect for several reasons. Remember, she could either done her multiplication or she could have done her division with the biggest number first. So, sorry, Jessica, but you're wrong. So, we have now our next question. So, a girl buys 32 stickers. They come in packs of 8. How many packs did she buy? Now, if you want to have a go at this by yourself using your bar model, please do so. Have a quick pause. Okay, welcome back if you had a go at that. So, first of all, we need to look at what our whole is. So, a girl buys 32 stickers. I can't say that word for some reason. They come in packs of 8. How many packs did she buy? Now you have to think what always must go in the top box, what must always go in our whole. Well done if you said the biggest number, which is going to be 32. And we're going to divide it by how much. Think about how many packs they come in. Well done if you said 8. So I need 8 equal boxes, or as equal as I can do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. I've got 8 boxes, okay? So you can do this 2 ways. I'm going to do it with the tallies or the dots. I'm going to use tallies because that's easier for me. You can do it with the tallies if you want to, or with the dots. It doesn't matter, as long as you have a go on a piece of paper at home. Or if you're feeling super confident and you know your times tables or your division facts really well, you can do it that way as well. I'm going to do it both ways for you. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So you should know that 32 divided by 8 equals, see how many there are in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one of these are worth 4. Let's see if this one's worth 4. Yep, yep, yep. Excellent. It's because 32 divided by 8 equals 4. And if you knew your times tables really well and knew your 8 times table, which is a lot of your targets, so doing your 8 times table, so 8, 16, 24, 32. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one of these boxes is worth 4. And you can double check again. Just do that. Oops, 4. So you can double check again by counting in your 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Sorry, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Hang on a second. So we've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Okay, so there are 15 pieces of fruit when they are put into, sorry, let me read that again. There are 15 pieces of fruit. When they are put into 3 equal groups, how many pieces of fruit are there in each bowl? So again, we've got our whole, which are, oh sorry, you can have a go if you want to. Have a pause. So if you carry on with me, we've got 15 and we are dividing it into 3 equal groups. So 3 equal groups. 1, 2, 3. So then, if you know your times tables facts really well, you might be able to do this really quickly. However, if you're not quite sure, we can do this together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There we go. So you know that 15 divided equally into 3 groups would equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and if you know your division facts really well and know your 3 times table, you could do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So they're worth 5. So put in a 5 into each one if you needed to. Okay, so again, we're carrying on with this from yesterday. So write a question that represented by this bar model. Now, I'm looking for 4, okay? We'll start off with our division because that's what we've been focusing on today. So I've got 24 divided by, let's see how many equal groups there are. 1, 2, 3. Equals. Now, what's one of those groups equal to? Well done if you said 8. Okay, and you can do another one as well. So we've got 24 divided by 8 equals 3. And we can do the inverse. So remember, the inverse of divide is to multiply. So I know there are 3 equal groups and we have 3 lots of 8, which equal 24. And we can do another one, which is 8 times by 3, which also equals 24. Brilliant, good. So these are some of the questions that we had yesterday. I have changed them. So remember, do have a go at them. Again, these ones will have no remainders, but these ones will, okay? So you can have a go at these ones. Have a quick pause, have a go at them. Again, similar to what we did yesterday, but I have changed these, okay? So remember, write the 4 different calculations for these ones and use a bar model to represent these ones, okay? Making sure that is nice and neat in your books, okay? You don't have to do the tally charts or the dots if you don't want to. If you know your timetables really well, you should just be able to write the number just in. So again, have a quick pause, have a go. And then we have some more word problems here. Again, bar model, use your method, okay? If you know timetables really well, you don't have to use the dots or the tallies. So have a quick pause. And then we're on to our last one. So similar to what we did earlier, explain the answer. See if Jack is right or not, okay? Have a go at it. So we have got a skill shop as well. I forgot to put a skill shop on yesterday's maths work, so I do apologise. So remember, when we times by 10, it gets 10 times bigger. Well done if you said that. So for example, if I had 2 times by 10, it's going to equal 10 times 2 equals 20, okay? Remember, we have that extra placeholder at the end. So again, have a quick pause, have a go, and I'll show you the answers in a bit. Okay, welcome back. So I'm going to reveal these answers. Well done if you managed to get these correct. Brilliant. And remember, send any work that you do at home at y3willow@australiabyronwood.org. I would love to see your maths work, okay? A lot of you are already sending in lots of brilliant work already. So make sure you send it to me. I can have a quick look and see if you're getting on okay. And I hope to see from you and hear from your emails soon. So that's it for me today. See you later. Bye.